Well, welcome once again to our YouTube channel, Soaring Together. Ricky and I are still here in Quartzsite. We're here for the big tent show, and today we're going to take you in another fifth wheel. We're going to take you in a Grand Design rear kitchen, beautiful rig. If some of you are shopping for a new rig, you can get some ideas from some of our videos that we posted and shared with you. Today, inside the tent, we were able to visit with Jim and Kelly for a while. Jim and Kelly with Sweet Travels. We're just having a good week here at the Big Tent Show in Quartzsite, Arizona, and we're glad that you have come along to join in on the fun. We're here again today looking at some fifth wheels, and we're getting ready to go in this one, and it's a Solitude Grand Design, and it is the 390 RK, so we got a rear kitchen. So you come into the living area, and wow, you got a lot of seating in here. Look at all the seating. Me and Ricky go crazy with all these couches. You got shiplap design up there around the TV. Hi. And here is the kitchen. So here is where you have your bar.
Yeah. That's kind of nice. I like
That's kind of nice. Man, you could just sit up here and eat and watch TV.
That would be my husband's spot. Right there.
That is nice. You can reach all the cabinets. So
Yeah.
in mine, I have some of my cabinets are so high I have to get a step stool. Look, Kathy's short, and she can reach the top ones.
That is nice.
So you can reach all your cabinets. You got more cabinets down here. And look, it has a Furion. Look at the fan.
Yeah. That's
Isn't that cool? The insignia range like I have.
That's nice.
And it has the
Oh, it's got the full size door.
double door freezer. You got storage
Yeah. That's just
on both sides of the,
Yeah.
but I really like that fit.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool. And then a big cupboard there. So does it have pull-out drawers? Yes.
Yes, they do.
Pull-out drawers. Really neat. And magnet closures on the cabinet doors.
That's pretty good.
And that is deep.
Oh, it is.
Something get lost back there.
Uh-huh.
But I really like the bar up here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Man, you just, because two people could be sitting up here, and you could have 2, 4, 6, you could have 8 people in here, and everybody could see the TV. Cool.
Oh, a coat closet. Sort of, maybe. That's cool.
Small one.
Yeah.
Usually those are not too deep because you have your bathroom on the other side.
Yeah.
But they're really modern
Oh,
looking,
no,
the
here we go.
shiplap
This
around
is
the,
worthy of the name.
and the mantle on top of the fireplace. Let's see what this lists for. The manufacturer's price on this is $140.
Oh, that's all it is.
Is it $147?
$147, $487.
So you could probably get this at the sale for $100,000
That would be kind of
because
nice.
they usually mark off $45,000 on them. And then big window here in the hallway.
Look at this. This is shower worthy of the name.
Oh. Rain shower.
Yeah. I know. And look at this. It's got the body spray.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and you got. Oh, look at that.
Cabinet space.
Yeah.
And then on both sides of the mirror, you have,
Wow.
we call it a medicine cabinet.
That's what I call it. And you got your own sink.
And a lot of space down there.
That's nice. Look at that.
Yeah. In both of them.
Yeah.
With the drawers in the middle. And the bottom drawer's real deep.
Oh, yeah, it is. It's not big, but it's, yeah.
Deep. And then the bathroom in here. I mean the bedroom in here. So we got a small closet. But you know, once you get your clothes hanging in here, whatever you put back there
Is there.
is there. So you're
Those are
gonna
your
have
shoes.
to push the clothes out of the way to get to it.
Oh, there we go.
Washer and dryer in there. And then king size bed.
Uh-huh.
And I like, we don't have the window above the bed. We have cabinets. But I like that window because it gives you that
That light.
light.
That
Yeah.
light source, because I don't like it when
Because
it's
every
dark.
time we go in the bedroom, we have to turn the lights on, whether it's in the daytime or nighttime.
Yeah. And you have.
And a small chest of drawer there.
Yeah, you have less clothes storage here,
Yeah,
but you have more living stuff.
yeah. But, you know, you've got enough storage in this bathroom that you could put clothes here.
Yeah, no, I put my towels.
Well, you could put towels,
Yeah.
sheets, but
Yeah.
you could put clothes in there.
Uh-huh.
You got all that down there
Yep.
under the sinks. That is cool. Got some good storage here.
Mm-hmm. Well, look, it's got a pocket door, so it doesn't get in your way.
And you know what they're doing? I've noticed in most of these, the steps is a open face step.
Oh, and okay, yeah.
Ours are boxed in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And these, I guess, would be called an open face step.
Yeah.
Different design.
It is, but it actually.
So the difference too, over here you have cabinet space above your sofa.
Oh, look at that.
But over here you don't, and you have bigger windows. See the bigger windows there?
That's a lot of light. I like the light.
Yeah. You got a window up there over the sink that you can look out when you're doing the dishes.
Yeah. Actually, you have windows on all four corners, all four
Yeah.
sides. That's nice. I like the light.
I really like this one. All right, so that's another tour of a Grand Design. The tent show can be kind of like a family reunion.
Yes, it is.
We haven't seen.
Friends are all back in one place again.
We haven't seen you and Joe in what, a year and a half?
Oh my gosh, it's been over
been a year.
It's been
Yeah.
over. I think it was last year. No, not last year. Not 23. It was at the 22 HDT out in Hutchinson.
Yeah. So we have a lot of followers that know you and Joe. You want to say hi to your
They know
friends?
us?
Yeah, Donna, Kathy. I mean,
Oh, yeah, I know
yeah, a lot of them.
Hi, YouTube world.
The annual Quartzsite RV pilgrimage is about more than just viewing the latest RV models or exploring the newest outdoor gear. It's about coming home. Each year, as repeat RV show attendees navigate their rigs back to this small town, they are not just attending an event, but reuniting a culture, sustaining a community, and celebrating an unanchored life that promises a different vista with every dawn.
This is what you see on the streets in Quartzsite. There are even some RVs set up off-site. So you got some motor coaches set up there for viewing. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our journey as Rickey and I are soaring together and living life in different places.